Imagine you're about to make a big online purchase. You found the perfect item, added it to your cart, and reached the checkout page. But then, you're presented with a payment option, Paysafe. You might be wondering, is Paysafe Visa or Mastercard? In this video, we're going to dive deep into Paysafe, explore what it is, how it works, and most importantly, whether it's a Visa or Mastercard. What is Paysafe? Paysafe is a digital payment platform that offers a variety of services, including prepaid cards, e-wallets, and online payment solutions. It's a popular choice for online gambling, gaming, and other online transactions. So, is Paysafe a Visa or Mastercard? The answer is neither. How does Paysafe work? Paysafe operates on its own network, separate from Visa and Mastercard. When you use a Paysafe card or e-wallet, you're essentially using a Paysafe-specific payment method. To use Paysafe, you'll typically need to create an account and fund it with money. Once your account is funded, you can use the Paysafe card or e-wallet to make online payments. Benefits of using Paysafe. There are several benefits to using Paysafe, including security. Paysafe uses advanced security measures to protect your personal and financial information. Convenience. Paysafe cards and e-wallets are easy to use and can be used at a wide range of online merchants. Flexibility. Paysafe offers a variety of payment options to suit your needs, whether you're looking for a prepaid card or an e-wallet. Anonymity. Paysafe can provide a layer of anonymity for your online transactions. Limitations of Paysafe. While Paysafe offers many benefits, there are also some limitations to consider. Availability. Paysafe may not be accepted at all online merchants, especially smaller or less established businesses. Fees. Paysafe may charge fees for certain transactions or services. Limited functionality. Paysafe may not offer the same level of functionality as traditional credit cards, such as rewards programs or purchase protection. Paysafe versus Visa/Mastercard. Now that we know what Paysafe is and how it works, let's compare it to Visa and Mastercard. Security. Paysafe and Visa/Mastercard both use advanced security measures to protect your information. Convenience. Visa and Mastercard are generally more widely accepted than Paysafe. Functionality. Visa and Mastercard offer a wider range of features, such as rewards programs and purchase protection. Cost. Fees may vary between Paysafe and Visa/Mastercard, depending on the specific card or service. So, is Paysafe Visa or Mastercard? The answer is no. Paysafe is a separate payment network. Whether Paysafe is the right choice for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're looking for a secure and convenient way to make online payments, Paysafe may be a good option. However, if you need a payment method that is widely accepted and offers a wide range of features, Visa or Mastercard may be a better fit. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.